you have a soul connection with this person, and I feel like you're dealing with someone right now who's very intuitive also. So, parehas kayong nagpapakiramdaman. Sino ba ang gagawa ng first move? Sino ba ang unang tatawag or magte-text? Sabi dito, itong tao na to, parang hindi siya nagpaparamdam or hindi siya gumagawa ng kahit na anong aksyon para lang iparamdam sa'yo kung gaano kanya kagusto. Kasi, I feel like this person is infatuated. Gustong gusto ka ng tao na to. Kaya, meron sa energy mo na nararamdaman mo siya and you have similarities. You like the same thing, you like the same food, or what I'm saying here is there's a twin connection. Pwedeng twin flame, pwedeng soulmate, kasi soul connection nga, 'di ba? Pero